think first half already we have attended and we have seen slide out of 3D-Printing. And now in this lecture, first I want to go to deliver. Mainly I can say that this is basic part, so that you can get the idea to what exactly 3D-Printing and how we can go for any article. There are some other methods also. So one by one we see. Next. First of all, what you need to go for 3D printing. In 3D printing, from where it has been started. Here you can see prototype. Prototype में जो word है, already you know very well कि क्या होता क्या है. What do you mean by prototype? It is simple. We can say that model of a product that simulates its design and functionality, creates gating test, concept, feedback, and iterate the design. Means if you have in your mind, just you want to start or you want to develop any article, anything, to the idea what you have, first you have to create its model by using our AutoCAD software or our desk software like wireframe model. The simple I am showing here, one car is there, and some person he has something this type of mind. Okay, why not? Why should develop a car? जिसका भी approximately जो shape होगा like that, it will be. So on that base, he has developed some prototype. That's why here I have mentioned models of a product that simulate its design and functionality. By this prototype, we can easily get the idea कि जो मेरी कार होगी, the vehicle what I am going to develop, किस type. Here, one example I will give you. I have purchased TVS scooter. I think 2 or 3 years before. Purchase कर लिया, घर में आ गया. ऐसी ही कहानी इंजन बताऊँ जैसे कि थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को लगे प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, why it is required. परचेस होने के बाद, घर में आने के बाद अपनी फैमिली के साथ अपने वाइफ के साथ मैं देखे निकला. एक स्पीड ब्रेकर आया. स्पीड ब्रेकर में मैं क्या देख रहा हूँ, जैसे स्पीड ब्रेकर क्रॉस होता है, जो मेरे स्कूटर का नीचे वाला पोर्शन है, वो टच हो रहा है स्पीड ब्रेकर की सरफेस से. ये 3-4 बार हुआ. I have made complaint with that previous people. Immediate they have told this is our fault in our design. उस TVS जो स्कूटर था, उसको मैंने immediate में से वापस कर दिया. This is the things for which we require, the manufacturer require this type of things, so that the idea जो है आपका, I am accepting, the idea is there. By that way you have developed this vehicle. But in future, if you will not do this type of things, in future definitely you will face the problem. That's why prototype is important. And now, so when you mention before the final product is developed. Similarly, if you see in our injection mold design, just now I think मेरे से पहले जो मोर्तजा कोचिंग वाला साहब थे, he asked what is the cost of injection mold? One mold की cost क्या है? We have told definitely 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakhs, like that. If without doing this type of practice, we will make the design, we will design the mold, fabricate the mold. During the processing, if we face any problem, what we will do about that 8 lakh, 10 lakh, 6 lakh we have spent. Before going to final thing, this is required. Next. Example of prototype, you can see wireframe, slides, landing pages, working model and videos. This all under the prototype you will find parts आता है. इसीलिए मैं example दिया कि आज की डेट में if you want to develop any hut, you can easily develop like that by using the models. Next. Now, आगे अगर further if we go, rapid prototyping and rapid manufacturing. नाम से लग रहा है, if you see now, rapid. With the prototyping we have added rapid. What do you mean by that? Fast fabrication of physical part, model or assembly. If we go for that car model, if we have AutoCAD software, that's okay, we can easily go for the wireframe model in our computer. Right? But if the software, that computer system, nahi hai hamare paas, if we are not having, then what we will do? Because thing is that this all prototype we are doing only to get the idea in physical for your product. Next. Photopolymer, what do you mean by photopolymer? Interaction with light to change its physical or chemical property. This is an important point. It has some property. When interact with light, get solidified. हाँ मैंने mention के physical chemical property में चेंज होता है, but we will use that material which interact with light, immediate get solidified. Cross-linked molecular structure that do not melt and exhibit less clip and stress relaxation. What do you clip? Here, clip what is camera. What do you clip? क्या तो clip?
अभी जो चेयर पे जो बैठे हुए कांस्टेंट लोड
क्लिप मतलब ये है एडेशन. एक लेयर आया, उसको भी लेयर मैंने डाल दिया. अब वो किसके ना नीचे लग गई एडेशन, तब का एडेशन. तो एक्सिबिट लेस क्लीप मतलब बहुत कम फिसलने के चांसेस होती है. ऐसा मटेरियल आपको फोटोपॉलीमर देता है. और यहाँ पर मैंने शो किया बाय डायग्राम कि मटेरियल इज दिस वन, एंड जैसे इमीडिएट लाइट पड़ता है, इमीडिएट इट रिएक्ट एंड गेट सॉलिडिफाइड. नेक्स्ट. नाउ इसी प्रॉपर्टी का वी विल यूज फॉर स्टीरियोलिथोग्राफी. Stereolithography is a laser-based complex process that works with photopolymer, already we have discussed, photopolymer resin that react with the laser and cure to form a solid in a very precise way. मतलब कोई भी कहीं भी आपका रेजिन पड़ा हुआ है, इमीडिएट लेजर उसमें पड़ेगा, सॉलिडिफाइड हो जाएगा. डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट में जैसे लेजर में आएगा, इट विल गेट सॉलिडिफाइड. ओनली दिस इज स्टीरियोलिथोग्राफी. नेक्स्ट देखें. द फोटोपॉलीमर इज हेयर इन ए वेट. इसको अपन आगे चलो तो फ्री है. हाँ, दिस इज द डायग्राम. Here you will find one complete chamber in there. Under that photopolymer resin in liquid form it is available. One laser source is there, and for the back where we want to create the 3D printed product, uska elevator and compressed current. Next. This is our example. Here I am showing, and first you see the where is my bed. Movable brick platform in red color I have shown. वो थोड़ा सा बाहर की तरफ है. आपके फोटोपॉलीमर जो रेजिन है, जो रेजिन टैंक है, उसके अंदर फोटोपॉलीमर भरा हुआ है, और जो मेरा बेड है, it is out है. High resolution you can easily get. Accurate large print area you can easily do. And 0.002 approximately we can say that 0.05 mm तक resolution आपको यहाँ पर मिल सकता है. And जनरली इसमें इस टाइप के प्रोसेस में 20 से 50 mm पर आवर आपका स्पीड होती है. नेक्स्ट. अब आता है सिंटरिंग. हमने भी लिथोग्राफी सुना, नाउ सिंटरिंग. सिंटरिंग क्या होता है? इस वर्ड को जाने से पहले अगर थोड़ा सा बीच में किसी को ब्रेक चाहिए तो ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. बिफोर दिस गोइंग टू दिस स्लाइड, सिंटरिंग वर्ड किसी ने सुना है?
पाउडर टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करते हैं।
3D प्रिंटिंग में इससे बाहर आ जाओ, कहीं और अगर कोई सुना है कंस्ट्रक्शन होता ना, सिंटरिंग रह गया, सिंटरिंग डल जाएगा तो स्लैब डल जाएगा। क्या होता है सिंटरिंग? वो क्या करते हैं, तो लकड़ी का पट्टा लगा देते हैं, उसके ऊपर प्लास्टिक में जो अपना सीमेंट को उसमें पानी मिला के मिट्टी के साथ या रेती के साथ मिला देते हैं। And after some time, now next is binder getting to last time by layout. Here I have shown you. First, deposition of powder by some layer. We are creating this powder in complete bed. Then after applying the binder of inkjet, उससे एक layer create हो जाती है. You can see the first layer. Then after second layer of powder, फिर आपका binder गया, second layer create हो गई. Like that, on the base of layer resume.
कंप्लीट।
हाँ, बेल्जियम कंट्री में 3D प्रिंटिंग से पूरी कवरिंग बनाई उन्होंने, जिसमें कि आपका मतलब एक हाउस बनेगा।
मशीन लोग इतनी बड़ी
कंप्लीट पार्ट है ना।
ये देखिए ऐसे करता है।
Indian-based manufacturing machine of ATAL. It is FDM-based machine. We are going to cover system requirement, part design, CAD file specification, CAD file exchange, slicing, G-code generation, data upload, machine setup, print and post processing. These features we will do in our workshop. So first thing is that the system requirement, that what kind of system we will need to design or draw any 3D model or any 3D file. So first is operating system. The basic 64-bit MS Windows will be enough for that. Processor AutoCAD 3.8 GHz or higher specification will be okay. RAM 16 GB or higher, because the CAD files also create some hostage file in the C file. That's why we need that RAM. Graphic card 4 GB GPU is recommended. Is above this is okay. Hard disk space 100 RPM SSD if you had, it will be there. Resolution solution is not the basic quality requirement, but if you had 1920 and 1880, the true color of the component will be, we will get it. So in part designing, we have to consider some important topics or points we have to take care of. That first is wall thickness, because in 3D printing files we have to very specific about the wall thickness. We should have at least minimum 1 mm of the wall thickness, so that the component could get the slicing time. If the wall thickness will be so this should be, but it is saying right now only we have 1.75 times only must market component 1.7 standard size. For example, so allow 2 type of material at one time. That one should be there.